Adding variants in Printify is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can properly add variants in Printify. So for that, you need to be at the Printify website and you need to log into your account first. After logging into your account, you simply have to click on this My Store. It will take you to your store. Now in your store, you simply have to click on this catalog and you have to browse or buy anything that you want. So suppose I want to buy this shirt. So I'm going to click on that and I will click on this Start Designing. Now it will allow me to design my t-shirts. I'm just going to add a text and I'm going to type in he. This is just an example, so I just don't even care what do I write. So I'm going to type in he and here I'm going to place it right here. Now I'm going to click on this save product. After designing the product, you have to click on save product and here you have to click on this save as draft. Now this is the product that I've created. Now I want to create a different variant. So for that, you simply have to click on this duplicate and there will be two products. Now I will click on this edit and edit option. I can change it however I want. Suppose I want to change color, I can change color. I want the blue shirt and I'm going to click on this save product again and I'm going to click on this save as draft again. Now as you guys can see, I have two different variants for the same product. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.